Fix Dasher. In today's video, you are going to learn how to fix Dasher must be active to schedule dashes. So let's get started. First, know that this error happens if your Dasher account is not active, not approved yet, or recently got deactivated. Now, reinstalling or offloading the Dasher app only helps if the issue is glitch such as outdated application, login error, or account status not refreshing. If you were recently approved, you can offload or delete the app, restart your phone, reinstall the Dasher app, or log in again. This refreshes your status if it's just a delay. And if your account is not active, reinstall the application and check your email or Dasher portal. If it shows inactive, app reinstall won't fix it. You must contact Dasher support. The third option is if you're deactivated. If you're eligible for an appeal, go to DoorDash Deactivation Appeals page. Fill out the form honestly and attach any required documents. Then submit the appeal to restore your account. And that's how you will be able to fix Dasher must be active to schedule dashes.